In the quaint village of Everdale, nestled amidst rolling hills and whispering willows, lived a young woman named Arabella. From the moment she opened her eyes each morning, her heart would flutter with the anticipation of a new day. Arabella, you see, had an extraordinary affinity for a peculiar word, A. To most, it was merely the first letter of the alphabet, a symbol void of significance. But in Arabella's world, A was an amorous enigma, an adventurous accomplice to her ever-changing emotions. One mist-laden morning, as Arabella strolled through the cobblestone streets, she caught sight of a mysterious stranger. His arrival cast a captivating aura over the village, leaving the residents in hushed awe. A hung in the air like a silent promise, as Arabella found herself inexplicably drawn to the enigmatic gentleman. In their initial acquaintance, Arabella sensed an alluring ambiguity in his gaze, a depth that echoed with unspoken stories. The mysterious stranger's name, it turned out, was Alexander, a name that, in its very essence, held the majestic allure of an ancient legend. Arabella's heart quickened as she pondered the allure of that single letter, A. As days unfolded into stolen glances and shared smiles, Arabella and Alexander's connection deepened. Their encounters were filled with the sweet agony of anticipation, like an enchanting waltz where every pause was pregnant with unspoken affection. Arabella found herself enchanted by Alexander's ability to adapt to any circumstance, much like the versatile nature of the word A itself. The village, once hushed in quiet admiration, buzzed with whispers of the blossoming romance. Arabella's closest confidant, a wise old woman named Agatha, observed the unfolding tale with knowing eyes. She, too, understood the myriad meanings that A could embody, from the hesitant acknowledgement of affection to the bold affirmation of ardor. In the twilight of one particular enchanting evening, as Arabella and Alexander strolled through the village gardens, Alexander uttered those fateful words that echoed through the ages. Arabella, I adore you with an affection so ardent it astonishes even me. The weight of that single letter, A, hung between them, a bridge connecting their hearts in a silent understanding. Arabella, with a gaze as ardent as his declaration, whispered her response. Alexander, your affection awakens an ardor within me that defies all explanation. In that moment, the village seemed to hold its breath, as if witnessing the birth of an everlasting alliance. As Arabella and Alexander embarked on the journey of love, their story became a testament to the richness and depth encapsulated in a single, unassuming letter. And so, the village of Everdale became a living ode to the art of affection, where the nuanced meanings of A wove a tapestry of emotions, binding hearts in a love as timeless as the written word itself.